Hello, I'm Miles Tails per hour. We will learn about rotational motion. In this video, we will have to learn these sections: angular units, centrifugal and centripetal force, and Coriolis force. Now we will talk about these angular units, instead of linear units. You may like to compare and contrast with linear and angular units. First unit, the distance x, which is linear. And angular unit on the other hand, we call theta, a Greek letter. Angle theta is measured in radians, right? So this is 1 radian, equal to 57.3 degrees. If the angle theta is equal to pi, this means it's a half angle, 180 degrees. We get 3.14 radians. For a complete angle of 360 degrees, we get 2 pi, equal to 6.28 radians. Like in mathematics, where Sonic the Hedgehog told you about these terms. Second unit, the velocity, v for the linear. Just like you can compare to the distance. On the other hand, we now have an angular velocity, omega, in radians per second. Compared to revolutions per second, by the way. You may check that 1 revolutions per second equal to 6.28, or simply 2 pi radians per second. And finally, acceleration, where the velocity changes, the acceleration a was a linear unit. Now, for the angular acceleration, called alpha as a Greek letter, where the angular velocity changes, we get the term radians per second squared. That is why a metric unit meter has been transformed into radians, and the metric unit time remains the same: angular distance theta from x, velocity omega from v, and acceleration alpha from a. In the next part, we'll tell you the next angular units, torque and angular momentum. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.